And we are back with another math video. So today, let's talk about keep, change, change. So I want to teach a strategy that will help you understand how to subtract integers, okay? Now, hopefully you did see my previous video when I tackled the rules for adding integers, and I mentioned that I would be back with another video for subtracting integers, and that is this video, okay? So we're going to dive into a simple strategy called keep, change, change, or KCC, okay? It's going to make understanding how to work with subtracting integers a lot easier. So here's the deal. When you're subtracting integers, it's easy to mess up the signs. I mean, it is what it is, okay? But keep, change, change, or KCC for short, it will help you stay on track, all right? So we're going to dive into a few examples. Let's look at -3 minus 12. Now follow me. Follow these 3 steps. Step 1, keep. Keep the sign of the first number. So -3 stays the same. It remains -3. Step 2, change. Next, we change the subtraction sign to addition. Following me? Stay with me. Step 3, change again. Then we change the sign of the second number to the opposite. So for example, since we have a +12, it now becomes a -12. So now our new problem is -3 plus a -12. Now you just need to kind of remember your rules for adding integers. When you add 2 negative numbers, you just add them and keep the sign. Add them and keep the sign. So a -3 plus a -12 gives you a -15. You see that? Keep, change, change. All right, let's get into another example. What about 5 minus 9? Step 1, keep the 5. Step 2, change subtraction to addition. Step 3, change 9 or a +9 to -9. Now your new problem reads 5 plus a -9. You see that? Now, as I mentioned before, just follow your rules for adding integers. The rule says different signs, subtract, and take the sign of the larger number. So the answer to 5 plus a -9 would be -4. Let's do another example. What if you have -7 minus a -2? Step 1, keep. Keep the -7. Step 2, change subtraction to addition. Step 3, change the -2 to a +2. Now your new problem reads -7 plus 2. And again, now you can just follow your rules for adding integers. The rules for adding integers say if your signs are different, subtract and keep the sign of the larger number. So a -7 plus 2 would be a -5. You see that? Okay, so let's wrap all of this up. Keep, change, change. This is a strategy game changer, okay? When it comes to subtracting integers, you want a KCC. Just remember, keep the first number, change the subtraction sign to addition, and flip the sign of the second number. If you have a positive integer, make it negative. If you have a negative integer, make it positive. All right? Keep practicing. And of course, I will see you back with a video on the rules for multiplying and dividing integers. All right. See you later.